will teach you how to make this delicious pancake with chocolate spread, banana, and cookie crumbs. You only need 15 minutes of your time, no more than that. You will need sugar, flour, salt, 2 eggs, something to mix with, and a chocolate spread. Take out a large green bowl, put your eggs inside, For this recipe, I don't have exact ingredients because you can adjust however you want. It depends on you, really. On your bowl, add 1 or 2 spoons of sugar. Now here it depends. If you want it too sweet, add more sugar. Then add some salt, not too much. Some milk. You can measure it with your eyes, it doesn't really matter. It depends on how many pancakes you want. I made 12 pancakes with this mix. Now mix the ingredients together for a minute or 2, it depends on you again. Now it's time to add the flour. It's better if you add the flour while you're mixing. Your pancake mix will turn out fluffier. At this stage, if you think your mix is too solid, you can always add some more milk in it. You can judge if you need more flour too. Your mix is ready, now you have to cook your pancakes. Now you can start making your pancakes. Just remember that at the beginning you need to add a little bit of oil in your pan and then add a big spoon of mix in your pan. By spreading the mix all over the pan will cook better and evenly. Turn the heat on the lower. Leave it to cook for 1 minute from one side and then turn it to the other side. Then you do the same for all pancakes. While I'm making the pancakes, I will cut a banana. You also need some cookies. Start by chopping them off so you make some crumbs. Now you can start stuffing your pancakes. I recommend doing that while the pancake is still hot, so the chocolate spread melts easily. Then you can add some banana pieces. And some cookies. Start rolling your pancakes. And your pancake is ready. I hope you like my recipe. If you have any questions, you can always find me on the comment section. Thank you for being here.